Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm making popped masala corn, a healthy, quick and easy to prepare snack. For this dish you'll need a non-stick pan with a lid. Please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, heat the pan on a medium heat and add the butter. Once it begins to melt, add in the chilli flakes, garam masala, salt and half of the fresh chopped coriander. Give it a quick stir to combine the butter and spices and add the corn kernels. Stir them through to ensure they are evenly coated and place the lid on. When they start to pop, gently shake the pan from side to side to ensure things don't stick and turn the heat down low. As you can't lift the lid to stir, I like to give it a shake every now and then to keep everything coated and stop it from burning. Once the popping slows right down, turn the heat off, remove the lid and give it a stir. Sprinkle over the chaat masala and the remaining chopped fresh coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.